Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is for if you did multi-view sketch C, the one that looks like the number 1 you can see on my screen. I'm going to use the online graph paper to demonstrate what your multi-view sketch should look like. So conveniently, this is your isometric sketch, which would go in the top right corner of a multi-view sketch. You can see the top should have 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to start with that one, top. And we are going to have 2 that are together, which are these 2 right here, and then one of a different depth right next to it here. Underneath that, we are going to have the front. Okay, the front is the outline of the number 1. So I see 2, then 1, then there's 3 altogether here, and 3 altogether here. So remember, you want to line it up. I'm actually going to have to move my front down. I'm going to draw it first. So I'm lining up my line the same as here. I have 2 at the top, going down, and then 1 over, down, and across. There shouldn't be any lines in the middle here because these are all the same. They're all flat the same. So I'm going to just write front underneath here and then to the right. So the right view is this one and these 2. So once again, you want to make sure it lines up. Doesn't matter where you start over here. Okay, so I have 2 that are together. That's these 2 right here if you're following my mouse. And then I have one that's of a different depth down here. So my right should look exactly like this. Please make any corrections you need to make. You can unsubmit your assignment, fix it up, erase what you need, add what you need, and resend it in so I see that you have an awesome multi-view sketch. Thank you for trying your best always. Be awesome.